Sharlene, I think you should call Emma.
No, don't call her Emma. The last thing Frankie needs is Emma calling everybody.
Look, I'm sorry, but legally, she should know.
God,
What are you saying?
Are you saying that she could die?
There's a strong possibility. We're doing whatever we can.
What's the matter with her?
Seeing Frankie is in shock. We believe that she's bleeding internally. We're just about to insert a chest tube.
What could that save her life?
This is not happening.
This is not happening!
No, I know you're doing all you can do. I know,
Believe me. Story of Frankie.
I want to see her.
Look, we are trying to stabilize her now. You can see her briefly, but only if it's a police matter.
Look, I'm lousy at this, okay? So, you probably know that already. If you're there, which I've also always had a problem with. But, bottom line is Frankie's dying, and I can't do a damn thing about it, right? Now, I'm not telling you how to, like, do your job or whatever, but I think you're making a really big mistake here. I mean, she's the kind of person we need on this planet. I mean, the woman opened her heart to me and her home to me when I'm trying to steal her car. She's my family. All right. I have an idea. It's an idea. Tell me what you think. Over the past few months, I've learned that there's always a deal that's possible. And all I've ever wanted out of life is to make good music and to make the big time. And everybody's telling me that looks like that's really going to happen now, you know? So, this is the thing. I was wondering if you would consider like a trade for everything that I have going on in my life. We could trade it for Frankie's life. I mean, on the level, completely on the level. I don't care if I write another song or I play another tune or anything. You just gotta help make it through this thing. I mean, we got a deal or what? Please. Frankie's the only person in this whole world that ever gave me a home. I'm hiding out in her basement and I'm stealing all her food, and she's still saying, "Welcome to my life."
You brought a lot into her life, darling.
A lot of grief.
No, come on, you know better than that. She loves you.
All the yelling and stuff that we ever did, you know. I mean, she still was right there for me. Whatever I had to say, she'd always listen to me, you know.
Because she believes in you. Your talent.
Just hang on to your dream and never give up your dream. She'd say and stuff, and This had to happen on the day of my big chance.
It does. We've got to hope, and we've got to pray, and we've got to stay positive. That's what Frankie would do.
I don't know how to do that, all right?
Well, neither do I right now. But we got to keep the faith. She's a frame. And we don't give up without a fight. Frankie's going to pull through this.
Chicago.